My name is Tika Weber, and I'm the Clarity product owner, and I work for Open Technology Solutions. We went through a process called the DA, right? And that helped us identify things that we were missing, or kind of like areas of opportunity where we could reconfigure the tool to support the business practices and the processes that we were trying to put in place. One of the big things that have come out of that is that looking at resource management and possibly, implementing an RMO, some different integrations that we may be able to leverage, like with SharePoint or with MS Teams, implementing office hours just internally at our organization. Just as a result of the DEA, we've already had some conversations about creating our own, I like to call it our Clarity Consortium user group, so that we can have, people weighing in on the solution, and it's not just kind of a drive-by situation where we're just doing things without getting the input from our stakeholders. So they have it also helps drive the adoption. So I think that's been helpful. So yeah. We leveraged the roadmap functionality a whole bunch. That was really key because we have different roles and teams within our organization that are normally constrained, right? I would say another key thing is being able to utilize the data, the OData feed. That was like a total game changer for us with Clarity. It was really great. We have several Power BI reports that we're able to use that data to make decisions, to show people the information, and to really back up the story that's being told about what's going on in the consortium. And then we can show the data to people, and they're better able to understand what's really going on. This is my 4th year attending Rego. I really like that the sessions are educational, that you actually learn, that you talk about the tool, you talk about how we can use things in a real world application. This isn't a sales conference where you're just being pitched a bunch of things and, someone wants you to buy something. It's really just learning and education. I like that you can pick your sessions even up until, an hour or so before if you decide to go to a different session. So yeah, very flexible. But yeah, I mean the sessions, yeah. First off, if I had attended Rego U before we went through our implementation, it probably would have been a little bit less scary, right? So people that are here getting to attend Rego University before they're actually even using Clarity in their live production environment, just total advantage, right? Again, there's so much education, there's so much learning. And even after Rego U, you can access the slides, you can go back and, go over the notes and the sessions that you attended. And of course, the consultants that are there to assist you, because you can tell them, hey, I learned this at Rego University. Can you help me understand this even further? Yeah, I just got to say, the staff and seeing people that I've met initially, and seeing the familiar faces, making the connections, the networking. Yeah, I actually thought of 2 really quickly. So ease and empowerment. Rego's they're just really easy to work with. Just very easy to work with. And I also like how our interaction with our consultants, when we need the help, we get the help, but we're also empowered to do things ourselves. Yeah, I'd say with Rego, the training, the webinars, there's so much information that's out there, and the product engagement partnering with Broadcom, that's a big plus. I join all those product engagement calls all the time.